One of my followers asked why Asian men who eat a lot of tofu and soy still have lower prostate issues than Americans, and they do. They even smoke. They even smoke more than we do. Men living in Western societies, um, we have a different lifestyle, so you can't. It's not apples and oranges, right? The comparison. So here's the science. Over 50% of Chinese, Asian men, parts of Asia, smoke a lot of cigarettes. I mean, it's right. They smoke a lot of cigarettes and eat way more soy than Western men. And yet their prostate cancers are much lower, right? Meanwhile, Western men, Western societies, men eat a lot less soy, smoke less, but have higher prostate cancer and other prostate issues. So what's going on here? I tell you, it's not the smoking or the soy per se by themselves. It's overall lifestyle. All right. Asian men in general consume more green tea. That fights prostate inflammation and cancer. Soy, yeah, they eat more soy, but fermented soy. Soy has more phytoestrogens, but it doesn't specifically or significantly increase estrogen or prostate cancer risk in men if you offset it with more physical movements and exercise and other foods, right? Less belly fat. We have way more belly fat, so the soy is a bigger hit for us, right? Americans simply are not active enough. I mean, in Asia, men ride bicycles and stuff like that. They do more farming, physical work, physical labor. They eat less meats, more plant-based foods, less junk, right? Better grade of noodles, and they do more home-cooked meals. They consume less preservatives in their food, right? It's a lot of other things. They consume less dairy. Um, so, yes, soy contains phytoestrogens, and I made a video about that yesterday. But research shows that they actually act more like hormone regulators in physically active men rather than just boosting straight out estrogen levels. All right. So traditional Asian diets also focus more on fermented soy like miso and tempeh, which is even healthier than this plain tofu that you get from the grocery store here in America. So Asian men in general, they have lower obesity rates and they have better metabolic health factors. So that drastically cuts prostate cancer risk. But here's the catch. China's lung cancer rates are still pretty high compared to ours. They have a different, they have extreme air pollution. They have more indoor coal burning and cooking fumes. So that with the heavy smoking, you know, does increase their lung cancer rates. But anyway, the takeaway is smoking and soy alone don't cause prostate issues. It's overall diet, lifestyle. That matters way more. So if you want to protect your prostate, focus on eating real foods, whole foods, like traditional diets, more plants, less processed foods, less preservatives, less junk, you know? Hey, drink more green tea, and let's understand that how things work for us here in our typical lifestyle and how we can look at other cultures and make changes accordingly. So follow for more tips.